So welcome back, friends. As we were discussing about the latitude and longitude grid system, today we will be discussing in detail about latitude and longitude. So let's have a recap of the last class. So what is grid? So grid is nothing but the rectangular square things which we see on the globe, and we also see in the graph sheets. So why grid system is important? In order to know the direction and location of the people, or any of the distances, measurement of the distances. So two imaginary lines we have studied was axis and equator. And who was Eratosthenes? He has discovered the grid system theory. And what are latitudes? Those are the parallel lines which are drawn from the center of the earth. Today we will discuss in detail about the latitudes and longitudes. So you can see big circle is the globe. Topmost part of the earth is North Pole, and bottom is the South Pole. And on the left side we have west, right side we have east, and which divides them equally is the equator. And this place from west to east is called as equatorial zone. Similarly, towards the north it is equatorial zone, towards the south is equatorial zone near the equator. And above the equatorial zone comes the Tropic of Cancer. Towards the north, towards the south, Tropic of Capricorn. Towards the north, above the Tropic of Cancer comes subtropical region. Towards the south, below the Tropic of Capricorn comes subtropical region. Towards the north, subtropical region above comes temperate zone. Towards the south, below the subtropical region comes temperate zone. And at the topmost of the North Pole, you can say that is frigid zone, and South Pole, towards the South Pole it is frigid zone. So equally the earth is divided, and all these zones, all these sectors have been seen. So from west to North Pole, this is the part of the above part of the equator. From equator to frigid zone towards the North Pole is completely northern hemisphere, and from the equator towards the South Pole, the complete part is southern hemisphere. So what are the latitudes now? The parallel line drawn from the center of earth to both the sides are called latitudes. Means you can see first latitude is equator, second latitude towards the north is equatorial zone, and towards the south is equatorial zone. Then the third latitude is Tropic of Cancer through North Pole, towards north. Towards south is the Tropic of Capricorn. Towards north, the fourth is Tropic of Cancer, fourth latitude, and towards the South Pole, the fourth one is subtropical region. This is the way the latitudes are derived. These are the horizontal lines, parallel lines from the equator. So the length of the latitudes is highest at the equator. At the equator, the length of the latitude is highest, as it is the equal parts. Above the equal part, it will get reduced, no, and gradually decreases from north and also from south. Like the layer will be the size. This is the equal part, and next equal part will little bit lower to it. It will be decreasing. So North Pole. So the equator is of 0 degree, and above the equatorial zone, and that is 10 degrees Celsius. So from equator to Tropic of Capricorn we have subtropics, that is 23.5 degree north, and towards the south we have also the same. Next, between 0 to 10 degrees Celsius of equatorial zone we have 10 degree north and south equatorial zone. So facts about lines of latitude. These are known as parallels. They run in an east-west direction. as our Earth rotates in east to west direction, so they also run in the same way. They measure distance north or south from the equator. From the equator, to distance is measured from the equator to the north, how much is the distance, and from the equator towards the south, how much is the distance. Any are parallel to one another and never meet. As they are parallel one upon the other, they never interact, they never dash. They cross the prime meridian at right angles. They cross the prime meridian. Prime meridian will be studying in the next slides. Lie in plane that cross the Earth's axis at right angle. And they get shorter towards the pole with only the equator. The longest are great circle. Next we'll study about the longitudes. So these are nothing but these are the kind of semicircles drawn between the North Pole and the South Pole. There are total 360 longitude. The starting longitude is 0 degree, and this was chosen as the place in London called as Greenwich. Hence it is called as Greenwich Meridian. All the countries are located in one or the other longitude. The countries should choose their standard time in such a manner that it is a multiple of 7.5. Likewise, India has chosen its standard time 82.5 east longitude and located at northeast. It is 5.5 hours before Greenwich Meridian. Place between Greenwich will lose a day, and places in front of the Greenwich will gain a day. Means toward east they will gain, and towards west they will reduce a day. So you can see the difference between longitude and latitude. Latitude will measure the distance. Longitude will calculate the time. Not calculate, will deals with the time. So now if we recap today's class, so what are the important parallels of latitude? We have seen equatorial zone, then we have seen Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, then we have subtropic, then we have temperate zone, then we have frigid zone. All these are the important parallels of latitudes. And what are the heat zones of the Earth? The heat zone is equator itself. Equatorial zone is the heat zones of the Earth. What are longitude? Longitude are the semicircles drawn between the North Pole and the South Pole. These like this structure, semicircle. 1, 2, 3, like this. What is standard time of India? Standard time of India is 82.5 is the standard time of India. So like in longitude there are kind of semicircles which are drawn from the North Pole, between the North Pole and the South Pole. So the starting longitude is 0 degree, and this was chosen in the place of London called as Greenwich. Hence it is called as Greenwich Meridian. In the place itself, Royal British Observatory is located, and that is why, as this is the starting point in the London, it is called as prime meridian. So these longitudes are also called as time zones. Total number of time zones are 24. The time zones in front of the 0 longitude is called as east longitude, means from the prime meridian towards the east, and they will increase the time of 1 hour for every 15 minutes. And at the 180 degree, the day is starting and the day is ending, and this is known as international date line. So international date line is exactly opposite to 0 degree longitude, and this line is not a straight line, but it is deviated in few parts. International date line is deviated into few places such as Fuji, Somao, Aldern Islands, Gilbert Islands. So all the countries are located in one or the other longitude. The countries should choose their standard time in such a manner that it is the multiple of 7.5 or 7.5. Likewise, India has chosen its standard time as 82 and a half or 82.5 east longitude and located at northeast. Hence, it is 5.5 hours before Greenwich meridian. The places behind Greenwich meridian lose a day, and the places in front will gain a day. And difference between two longitude decreases from equator to poles, but the length is constant everywhere. Length will be same, length will not change, only they will decrease from equator to the poles. So this was the end of the class. So you have an you have to collect some information related to prime meridian, or what like from whatever you have understood from today's class, and please tabulate that and please write them in the colorful chart paper and show me tomorrow. And so mapping skill, if you see international date line at 180 degree, the day start and the day ending. You can see in this picture the line you can see in the middle of the pic. This is nothing but the international date line. You can see the straight line is not, the international date line is not straight. Why not straight? Because it got deviated at some island, at some places. So this is the home assignment. Make a note from this picture into 4 to 5 paragraphs. Please take a screenshot so that you can make a note from these paragraphs. So thank you so much. So this was the end of the our chapter, the our earth of class 9th from social studies. Thank you so much.